Hello, hi, my name is Shani Jackson, and today I am doing this video to tell you all about this amazing, wonderful gourmet chicken salad. It's by Wanda Abdulghani, who is the CEO and founder of Us For You. And the name of it is Anita's Gourmet Chicken Salad. This is it right here. And I'm telling you guys, it's amazing. It is absolutely amazing. So, I am about to eat this. It's a perfect snack, perfect lunch. I've even had it for breakfast at times. Hold on, guys. I'm telling you guys. You can actually get it with grapes or without grapes, but I like it better with grapes. It's amazing. If you want some, get in touch with me, Shani Jackson. You know, you can email me at shamonjgifts, SAJMONJGIFTS @gmail.com. And I'll get you in touch with Wanda Abdulghani, or you can message her directly if you're on Facebook. You can go to her fan page, which is Us For You. You can type in Us For You Gourmet Foods in the search on Facebook, and you should find her fan page. Or if you want some, you can come to Global Empowerment Ministries. It's on Lasser and 7 Mile, and you can get you some of this amazing, wonderful gourmet chicken salad. Good. It's delicious. I'm telling y'all, get you some today from Wanda Abdulghani. Us For You Gourmet Chicken Salad. Anita's Gourmet Chicken Salad. Get you some today. All right. I just wanted to let you guys know, when you get some, it's going to come in a cup of chicken salad. It's going to come inside a little container like this. It's going to come with a fork. It's going to come with some crackers, a napkin, and a mint. So get you some ASAP. Come to Global Empowerment Ministries. Let me get the address for you guys. Hold on. I gotta look the address up for y'all. So, sorry guys. Okay. So you want to come to Global Empowerment Ministries. Okay. And the address is 21630 West 7 Mile Road, Detroit, Michigan. All right. You want to come. Detroit, Michigan 48219. Come to Global Empowerment Ministries. Ask for Wanda Abdulghani. Or you can ask for me, Shawnee Jackson, and I'll get you in touch with Wanda Abdulghani. Thank you all for watching this video. God bless you all. Bye-bye now.